மாணவர்களின் சிந்தனைகளை வடிவமைக்க இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், மாணவர்களின் தனித்திறமைகளை மேம்படுத்த SNS இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், மாணவர்களை போற்றும் SNS இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் கோவை.
Good morning everyone. This is R.Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we will going to see about some kind of renewable energy resources. So in renewable energy resources or renewable energy technologies, both are same. So in this renewable energy resources, first we are going to see about sustainable future, that means energy conservation and then efficiency. So why we go for energy conservation or efficiency, or why we are focusing on energy conservation and efficiency? So because global energy demand is projected to rise 50% by 2050, energy consumption is responsible for 75% of global greenhouse gas emission. The global market for energy efficiency products could reach $2.2 trillion by 2027. So energy conservation or energy efficiency is the major thing we need to discuss or we need to concentrate on this thing. So first we need to understand the difference between conservation and then efficiency. Conservation is entirely different than efficiency, but some people are confusing that conservation and then efficiency both are same. So here conservation is nothing but reducing energy consumption through behavioral changes. This involves conscious decisions to use less energy, that is called as a conservation. But efficiency means using less energy to achieve the same or a better outcome. So this focuses on technology and design improvements. For example, turning off light is conservation, but using LED lights is efficiency, providing light with less power. So this is the best example. So earlier days they are using a carbon arc lamp, that is the first lamp they are using for a light sources. So after that they are focusing on incandescent lamps. Even though incandescent lamp don't have any kind of electronic components to produce the light energy, and also it will not affect any kind of power factor, but incandescent lamp will consume more amount of energy to deliver particular amount of flux. So in order to avoid that, they are focusing on a fluorescent lamps. So fluorescent lamps will give the high luminance value with a less power consumption. So again that is involving, so that evolving technology will leads to CFL lamp, that means compact fluorescent lamp. After that they are focusing on LED lights. So LED lights will consume very minimal amount of power consumption compared to the incandescent lamp or a carbon lamp or a fluorescent lamp or a CFL lamp. So this is the best example for a conservation. So why it matters? Environmental or economical and security benefits for renewable energy. So environmental effect means it reduces the greenhouse gas emissions. It prevents 6.4 gigatons of CO2 annually, helps to meet Paris Agreement goals. So that will be environmental aspects. When we are using a non-conventional energy sources or a non-renewable energy sources, it will produces the high carbon output, or that will be created the huge amount of disturbance to the environment. Economical ways, lowest utility bills for a consumers, industrial efficiency can cut energy cost by 10 to 30%. US households save average of $500 annually. And also the energy security, so decreases reliance of fossil fuels, reduces need for new power plants, strengthens the energy impedances. And also the energy conservation in action, simple changes, it will give the big impacts. So that means thermostat adjustments, unplugging vampire devices, and also the shorter showers, and then sustainable transportation. So this will be give the higher efficiency. And also the energy efficiency, it is a resilient solutions for a homes. So we are going to modify, or we are going to replacing all the lights LED lights. So when we are using LED lighting system, it will use 75% of less energy and it is 25 times longer than incandescent bulbs. Smart thermostats can give the 10 to 12% on heating and 50% on cooling bills. So for example the energy star applications, so for example some kind of appliances, it will give some kind of energy star rating. It will use 10 to 50% less energy than conventional models, reducing utility costs. So improved insulation, so proper Attic insulation saves 50% of heating or cooling cost. High efficiency windows reduce the heat losses by 50%. So the energy efficiency, commercial or industrial application wise, we have a HVAC optimization and a premium efficiency motors, building management systems that will be called as a BMS, and then waste heat recovery and process optimizations. So beyond the saving, broader benefits and future outlooks, 2.2 million jobs created. The energy efficiency sectors employs millions of Americans in a global wise. And also 2 to 5% of the property value, energy efficient homes can sell for a higher premium. And also less grid strain reduces the peak demand for more stable electrical grids. And also it will be a cleaner air quality, less energy generation leads to a fewer pollutants and improved health. It will be created more economical benefits. So conclude that our role in smarter energy future, it's a start small, check labels, audit your homes, and then adjust habits. So this will be lead to energy efficient homes and then energy efficient systems, and also the sustainable energy systems. I hope you understood the concept of energy conservation and also energy efficiency, and it will give the broader idea about some kind of sustainable energy. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood the concept. We will see next topic in another classes. Thank you.